set up your videos to be unlisted, private, or public. To do this, what we're going to do is sign on to your YouTube account. If you create a Gmail account, you're able to upload your own videos onto YouTube. So I'm going to click on here by sign in. I'm going to type in my address, click sign in. To access your videos that you uploaded, I'm going to click on here, this section, click on Video Manager. Once we click on Video Manager, we are able to click these following settings. If I click on Public, it's going to show me, and I scroll down. Across here, privacy settings, I can set this to be public, unlisted, which I can give a specific web address, so only the users that have that web address are able to view that video, or private, which I have to basically email each people that address, and only those people that have that email address will only be able to view that video. That's it.